I should be over all the butterflies. I've been into you, and baby, 'cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. Yes.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle, and today I have an exciting video. It is on this wig, but I am in utter shock. I am pleasantly surprised how this wig came out. It's a V-part wig, and we all know it's convenient, but you have to be careful when you wear V-part wigs because it puts tension on your hair, and you just gotta be smart on how frequent you wear these type of wigs. With that being said, my leave out, okay, V-part wigs, if your leave out is short, child, it is hard to blend, okay? It is hard to really get that look with a long unit, right? If you have a shorter V-part wig, like I had another wig and I cut it so that it was short, it was fine, right? Easy to blend, especially when it's straight. When it's curly and short and you got a long V-part, it may not look the best. You're gonna have to manipulate it quite a lot, okay, in order for you to get a good hairstyle, or put it up and it'll be fine, and up to you. Now, with that being said, obviously the wig is down and I got my short leave out just out, okay? And I feel like this is the easiest time that I've had with a long V-part wig and curly, getting it to match with my hair, okay? And with my leave out that I have, I just did a quick twist and go, okay? I put some of this Camille Rose Spike Honey mousse. I absolutely love this stuff in my natural hair. I freaking love it. That's all I did. And I just feel like it looks so good. So good. I freaking love this. I freaking love this. And it has some slight color in it. It's a chestnut brown. The highlights, I just feel like they did their thing. I absolutely love this unit. I feel like this is 150% density if I can remember, and it's 24 inches. All of the details and the link to this wig is going to be down in the description box, so make sure you check there. And if I have not already mentioned, it's already in the title. This is from Unice. This is from Unice. They did their thing, okay? I am loving this wig, and the fact that I can have my leave out and it's just so simple. The only other thing that I probably would do, well, like I said, my twist out, I did it very quickly, okay? I didn't even really let it dry all the way. So my legitimate routine when it comes to my twist outs, I can get this to look even better, okay? So the fact that this is just like kind of twist out with my leave out, I just know when I really truly do it, it's gonna look so good, so good, so good. If I were to do my twist out and twist the hair on this V-part wig with it, it will even look 10 times better. I'm excited. I'm very excited for this wig, and I feel like there's not a lot of tension. Like, this wig comes with, I believe, either 4 or 6 clip-ins, right? If I use the clip-ins, I only use 2, okay? I never use every clip-in because I do not want to put that tension on my head. So with that being said, when I tell you I slicked my hair into like 2 ponytails in the back, so like the clip-ins is not even really gripping anything. So I love that for me, okay? Now it does have 2 combs right here, which I was able to like really dig that into my hair, and I like that better than the clip-ins because the combs don't put a lot of tension. It doesn't even feel like a lot of tension on my hair, so I don't mind that. The wig did come with an elastic band. You guys already seen that because I'm pretty sure I'm playing the clip now. And it also came with, what is it called? Not adjustable straps, but it's like, I don't know what it's called. You guys are going to see it because I'm going to show you the construction of this wig, but you can tighten it in the back even more. Love that. What more can you ask for? What more? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check you guys out in my next one. Bye.
I should be over all the butterflies.